EG Tech Research Institute is India's exclusive research organization established for the purpose of creating awareness on scientific and analytical instrumentation in the scientific community. With our institutionally certified courses, we provide research and training on high-tech analytical and scientific instruments used in pharmaceutical, chemical and advanced technologies industries. Our organization, in association with universities and government and private colleges, conducts training programs and seminars in Central India.
The introduction to मेरा आपने दे दिया, so I can skip this slide now. See, ISC sectors की concept is a not-for-profit organization. It is promoted by industry and industrial association. Basically, there were many gaps which were there between industry, academic institutions, and the end product. Those are our candidates. What we did in this is the youngest council of the government of India, where what we did till now, we have developed more than 100 national standards, 21 qualification packs, 19 QPs for futuristic job work. See, we are sitting here developed with the 20 QPs, but we are not idle. Now let me come to the today's topic. This is, see, in India, as we all know, our major asset is human capital. If you see in right perspective, after agriculture, probably the major contribution in the GDP will be of the human capital. If we can maintain them as a capital. In our society, गुरु का दर्जा तो भगवान से भी ज्यादा है. गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके मुंह पाओ, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो दिखाए. तो जब इस तरह का समाज है, इस तरह की सोसाइटी है, तो वहां पर हमारी जिम्मेदारी और भी बढ़ जाती है उन लोगों के प्रति जिन लोगों ने हमको एक भगवान से ऊपर का भी दर्जा दे दिया है. तो व्हाट आर द एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम द फैकल्टी दिस students have? Faculties should have a technical expertise, teaching methodology, they should know the teaching methodology. Quality of content should not be ready-made content. They should be capable of developing the content so that they can deliver in their own language, in their own biological language to the audience. They should be aware that teaching tools, new technologies are coming out. Now it is very easy to say why we should do for the faculty development programs. You agree, I agree. That's why you make this event. कि सब faculty program development programs तो होने चाहिए. It's very important. फिर भी नहीं हो रहा. Many institutes are not doing. 99% institutes are not doing. What are the reasons? There must be some reason behind it. First of all, while preparing the budget for the academic session, we don't keep any provision for the faculty development programs. Right. But if इसको यदि हम कहते रहेंगे कि सब ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, so then I think it will not be a good thing to do it. We have to start from somewhere. Understanding the constraint, we should find out the solution.